Every day in medical imaging, you make a difference for your patients. But what if your experience could shape the future of the entire profession? Every student you teach goes on to care for thousands of patients throughout their career. Many of our faculty spent years working in the clinical environment before transitioning into education.
One of the most rewarding things moving from the clinic to teaching, I think, is the outreach you have not only for your students, but the amount of patients that you get to impact on a much broader level. Those students that I send on externship and eventually into the job field impact healthcare at a much greater level than I was able to do when I was working in the clinical setting.
Teaching offers the opportunity to mentor future professionals while enjoying a balanced academic schedule and a supportive team environment.
So one of my favorite things about working at Oregon Tech is who I get to work with. I get to come to work and be around work family. We always support each other. We have each other's back. If I'm having a bad day, someone else is there to lift you up. Hallway meetings are the best. We even like to hang out outside of work. So it's a wonderful place to be. It's a wonderful place to work.
Our students train in state-of-the-art labs with advanced imaging technology and hands-on clinical preparation.
I love working at Oregon Tech because the students are excited. Every day is different. I get to be creative, and there's such good energy just between the profession and the classroom. We have amazing benefits, and Klamath Falls is a great place to raise a family.
If you're ready to take the next step in your career, mentoring the next generation of imaging professionals, Oregon Tech is ready for you.